stuffed with chicken, which is mostly liked by children. Add ginger chop, then garlic sauce. Fry this till it gets light brown color. So that it releases a nice flavor. Now it becomes brown color. Now it's time to add color it till it gets transparent. Now you can add tomato, mix it well till it cooks and becomes soft. In this stage, you can add salt so that the tomato will cook nicely and soft. Now you can see the tomato is almost cooked and mixed together. Now it's time to add masala. Keep the flame in the very low so that the masala will not get burnt. Now you can add masalas one by one. Turmeric half teaspoon, garam masala half teaspoon, coriander 1 teaspoon, chili powder half teaspoon, pepper you can use little. Mix together nicely till the raw smell goes. Now it's time to add chicken pieces. Allow this to cook for 5 minutes by closing. Keep the flame slow. After 5 minutes, you can remove the lid just to stir it well. Now you can add tomato ketchup 1 tablespoon so that the children like it very much because the dish is very sweet. Stir it till it gets little more dry. Now see that the stuffing is ready. So this is the consistency we have to make it. Now let's start to make idlis. For this, the stuffing is already ready. You need cheese, some pizza seasoning and idli batter. First you grease this vessel. After the steam comes, you can pour the idli batter. It is little amount. Little. And close it with lid for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, you can open the vessel and you can stuff with chicken. After that, you can pour some batter on it. close it for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, you can check it whether it gets cooked or not. Wow, it's very nice to see, almost looking like pizza. The children will like it very much. Now I am going to keep cheese on the top of the idlis. I have cheese slices, so that I am keeping slices. If you have other cheese, you can spread it on it. Now you can close the lid for 1 minute. So here our idli got ready. It's a yummy dish. The children, those who don't like to eat idli, they will like to take this, which is really nice, tastiest dish. You must try it. And too, you can garnish with some pizza seasoning so that they will get pizza flavor when eating. Share it. Subscribe to this channel and give comments. Bye.